about kicking the ball, it's about kicking the limits. Hi, I'm Aditi Chauhan, goalkeeper of the Indian national women's football team, and I've also played for West Ham Ladies. I think I was 15 when I got selected to be part of the under-19 Delhi team. And that's how the journey began basically, and since then it's just been football. After that national, I just left all of the sports. Since I was a child, I remember I used to accompany my elder brother to his karate classes, and used to sort of shadow the moves that he was doing in the classes. That's how I started my interest in sports. Our basketball coach was the one who suggested that I should try out as a goalkeeper for the football team, because he was the one who told me that there's a under-19 Delhi trial going on and I should go in and try out as a goalkeeper. When I started playing football, my dad especially was a little apprehensive. Football wasn't very popular at all, especially among women. When she saw how much I love this sport, all of that I think sort of had its effect and changed his mind towards it. Both my parents were working, and I was too young to go to the classes alone, to the football coaching alone. My grandmother, she moved to Delhi just to sort of help me and come with me to these training camps. Once I moved to London, there's plenty of opportunity. There was a lot of opportunity to play football. So I gave trials in a couple of clubs. Almost got selected for Millwall, which is a second division club. Because I was on student visa, I could not play for them. And so the goalkeeper coach who was there at Millwall was also training West Ham Ladies team. So he's the one who suggested that West Ham was looking for a goalkeeper, and that's basically how I ended up at West Ham. Gave trials there, got selected. In my second season with West Ham, I got a knee injury while playing for West Ham. So once I came back, I was basically going through the rehab. It was a very tough time for me, both mentally and physically. That even if you have injuries or if you have ups and downs in your life, you need to come out of it and have that self-belief to just keep pursuing your passion and your interest and the love for the game. First time I won an international medal for the country. That was again very, very special. I think menstruation and period is different for every girl. It's not a disease. It's not something to shy away from. It doesn't really bother me so much, and I've always carried on playing it like nothing's happening or nothing's happened. I look forward to, and I hope that more of the ISL clubs and I-League clubs come forward and willingly want to start a women's team and be a part of the women's league, because that's the need of the hour and that's where the future is.